ويعلمك متعة التعلم والمعرفة.
وستون
63.
63.
طرح الأسئلة 2
Asking questions 2.
Asking questions 2.
أنا عندي هواية.
I have a hobby.
I have a hobby.
أنا ألعب تنس.
I play tennis.
I play tennis.
أين يوجد ملعب تنس؟
Where is the tennis court?
Where is the tennis court?
هل عندك هواية؟
Do you have a hobby?
Do you have a hobby?
أنا ألعب كرة القدم.
I play soccer.
I play soccer.
أين يوجد ملعب كرة القدم؟
Where is the soccer field?
Where is the soccer field?
ذراعي تؤلمني.
My arm hurts.
My arm hurts.
قدمي ويدي تؤلماني أيضا.
My foot and hand also hurt.
My foot and hand also hurt.
أين يوجد طبيب؟
Is there a doctor?
Is there a doctor?
عندي سيارة.
I have an automobile.
I have a car.
عندي أيضا موتورسايكل.
I also have a motorcycle.
I also have a motorcycle.
أين يوجد موقف سيارات؟
Where could I park?
Where could I park?
عندي pull over.
I have a sweater.
I have a sweater.
عندي أيضا جاكيت وبنطلون جينز.
I also have a jacket and a pair of jeans.
I also have a jacket and a pair of jeans.
أين الغسالة؟
Where is the washing machine?
Where is the washing machine?
معي صحن.
I have a plate.
I have a plate.
معي سكين، شوكة وملعقة.
I have a knife, a fork, and a spoon.
I have a knife, a fork, and a spoon.
أين الملح والفلفل؟
Where is the salt and pepper?
Where is the salt and pepper?